ba meron kayong official introduction? Gusto ko magpakilala kayo isa-isa. Say hello to your Vixies and of course, lahat ng nandito sa Vida sa Arena. Go ahead!
Mama Arena in control, we are Vision! This is C13.
This is Sam.
Hey guys, my name is First!
What's up, guys? It's Enzo.
Hello guys! Hello guys! Yeah!
Okay.
Patrick siya, si Patrick!
Fairness, nag-connect pa rin sila.
Yes.
Okay. But that was a great performance here. How was it? How was the experience performing here in the Mall of Asia Arena in front of these fans?
Sobrang saya kasi naramdaman din namin ang init ng energy nila.
Pwede bang kwentuhan niyo kami tungkol dun sa pinerform ninyo? Anong songs ba yan? Ang gaganda ng songs ng Vision.
Thank you po. Yung first song po na pinerform po namin ay SSP, Saksak sa Puso. It's part of our first album. It's called 2020. And yung next song naman po namin, it's Shed Sobrang Init. Tamang-tama for the summer.
Shed, sobrang init!
Yeah!
Totoo naman, no? Agree lahat doon. Pero balita ko, magkakaroon kami ng concert!
Meron po kaming nalalapit na concert. It's called Kalawakan The Evolution Concert, directed by Direct John Prats, produced by Cornerstone Concerts and L Squared Productions po. Gaganapin po ito on June 27, 2026 at the New Frontier Theater at 7 p.m. You can secure your tickets at www.ticketnet.com or pwede rin kayo pumunta sa mga malalapit na Ticketnet outlets sa inyo.
Wow! Congratulations, Tega! May concert kayo. Ano i-expect ng mga Vixies sa concert na yan?
Siyempre, new stages.
Expect the unexpected.
Yes, meron kami mga bagay na hindi pa nagagawa na gagawin namin for this concert. Oh,
Ano yan?
kakain po kami ng apoy.
Wow!
May stunts?
Kasi nga, Shed, sobrang init!
Tama, tama. Teka, may mga guests kayo dyan?
May guest kami, siguro secret pa muna. Pero
Secret pa?
what if, di ba? Wala namang imposible.
Why not? Why not?
Yes. Alam nyo, habang naghihintay ang lahat for June 27 sa concert nila, pakinggan nyo rin ang kanilang songs. Nasa Spotify,
Yes.
YouTube. Sige, go ahead, guys.
Yes, please do stream our music. It's available on all the music streaming platforms worldwide. Kakalabas lang din po ng album namin ng Pasakalye. It's our second album and sana po masuportahan nyo rin po kami sa new music po namin. Panoorin na rin po ang aming new MV na pelikula. Nandiyan po si Miss Charlene San Pedro.
For more Vision updates, guys, please do follow our social media accounts. Is at VXON Official.
Yes.
Okay.
And once
Go, go.
again, kung 27, 2026, makita-kita po tayo doon, okay? Save the date. Yes!
June 27,
June
2026.
27. Okay, hold on. While you guys are here, naglalaro ba kayo ng basketball?
Yun! Yun!
Dalawa. Sige, naglalaro kayo.
Online.
Online.
Gusto niyo ba sumali sa gantong
Oo naman.
klaseng
oo
game
naman.
din? Oh, yan
Kanina nga sobrang sabi ko, kailan kaya ako makakasali sa ganito?
Actually, nagpaparinig siya, guys.
Baka naman
gusto
daw.
niyo-
Sa next po.
Teka naman, Vida sa Arena. O teka, dahil syempre nakanood din kayo ng basketball. Sino o kanino kayo pinaka nagalingan? Sino yung parang kumuha ng atensyon nyo kanina sa first half?
Oh.
Ako meron ako.
Sige.
Si Gerald Anderson.
Gerald Anderson.
Grabe,
Sobrang lakas niya talaga ako as a basketball player. Hinahangaan ko siya kasi magaling siya mag-play, magawa ng play, tapos yung shooting skills niya grabe.
Galing.
Idol ko talaga yun si Gerald.
Kung nanonood ngayon si Gerald Anderson, anong
Like, kung-
mensahe mo kay Gerald?
Naka-play ito sa TV nila dun sa dugout. Ayan.
Kunin nyo na po siya sa next season.
Teka naman, the third floor,
Third
diba?
floor, diba? Oh. Sige, sino pa? Sino pa?
Gusto din ni si 13 sumali.
C13, sinong napusuan mo dun sa mga players kanina?
Actually, si Kuya Gerald Anderson din. Kasi,
Si Gerald din?
so kaya ako sa third floor eh. Kaya,
Kasama
yung
mo
pala
siya
ako
eh.
pa doon minsan, kaya sobrang...
Yes, Steve third floor!
Grabe.
Pero ano masasabi niyo naman sa Sparkle? Ang
Baka,
huhusay din.
baka dito may sparkle. Sige, sige, sir. Ikaw.
Ako sinusuportahan ko po si Kuya Will.
Will?
Yeah.
Will Ashley. Friends kayo?
Yes po.
Yun.
Ako, syempre, si Kuya Raver Cruz. Syempre, nandyan dapat yan. Supportado yan.
Raver Cruz, yes. Ang huhusay talaga. Kaya naman, abangan natin kung ano mangyayari sa second half. Pero sa ngayon, muli po, maraming salamat sa Vision!
Thank you po.
Palakpakan natin ang vision, guys.
Performance! Thank you so much, Vision! Any last messages? Go ahead.
Vixies, thank you for coming here. And also,
Meron.
so much, Vixies.
Thank you po.
Sa lahat ng nanonood, enjoy the game. And once again, we are Vision!
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Vision. Watch out for their concert June 27. Okay, thank you,
Thank you so
Vision.
much, the Monsters of P-Pop Vision!
Okay, but we're not yet done.
Keep on coming back again, you love me like a boomerang. Ready, aim, shoot. We are G22. I am Jazz. Hello guys, I'm Ophir. And I'm AJ. Marina, you're ready. On the top we have AC. Team Sparkle, Team Third Floor. Don't you complain. Give it up for the female alphas of P-Pop G22!
Ladies, I know you have your official introduction. I'm sure gusto kayong makilala isa-isa ng lahat ng nandito. Go ahead, please introduce
Please introduce.
yourselves.
Hello everyone, ready, aim, shoot. We are G22. Mga, I am Jazz. Hello po. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi. Ako po si Alfea. What's up everyone? And I'm AJ.
Yeah!
Sobrang
galing.
mahusay talaga. And feel na feel mo yung presence nila ibang klase. So
Yeah.
can you please tell us about your performance, guys?
How
Ano
was
yung
it?
mga pinerform nyo?
We just performed Papa Papalaban, which was our title track for our latest album, our first ever album actually. And we also performed Boomerang, which is a very special song to us. It talks about, you know, Palaban being a strong woman, sobrang lakas, and strong people, yung mga athletes dito sa court, diba, Palaban sila. And then Boomerang, bouncing back no matter anong obstacle.
Tama, palaban nga naman.
Kaya nga, alam mo, feeling ko, alam ko yung iniisip ng mga nanonood
Ano
ngayon.
iniisip nila?
Ang galing niya naman magtagalog.
Ang galing nga eh.
Di ba?
Talaga?
Si Jasmine hindi yan ganyan dati.
Daming English, dapat magtagalog ako attend.
Yes.
Marunong
Ano
ka.
ulit yung title?
Palaban.
Palaban.
Tatlong
Okay.
paa.
Ilan? Palaban.
One each. Ganun.
One
Sobrang
each.
galing.
Okay.
Alam niyo ba, magkakaroon din sila ng concert! Kailan ba yun?
Tell us all about your concert.
Grabe guys, we will be having our first concert, The Eve of an Alpha, this July 12 na po yan sa New Frontier Theater. Tickets are available, guys, go buy na!
Ticketnet online or Ticketnet outlets nationwide. You can still buy your tickets. Few slots left, kaya please get your tickets now. Thank you, guys!
Ano yung aabangan namin dun sa concert ninyo?
Nako, maraming
Para marami, ah.
aabangan. Kasi actually, ito yung magiging first ever solo concert natin.
Yes.
And first ever na ma-perform natin ang mga,
Madaming hindi pa namin na-perform.
Punta
Madaming
kayo.
ibabalik.
Kasi baka may mag-basketball din kami. Chalet! Chalet!
It's okay.
Dapat,
Kaya mo yun ay.
hinahanap ko
Ayan,
yung ano.
naghanap ng signal.
Ayaw pala yung signal. Dapat talaga ay bumili na tayo ng tickets, right?
Dapat.
Any last messages, girls, for all of your
Final
for
message.
all of your bullets?
Yeah.
Yes, our bullets! Thank you guys for coming! Multi-stars, maraming salamat po. Mga light sticks pa kayo, maraming salamat po.
and good luck sa lahat ng players tonight. Sana lahat tayo nag-enjoy!
Let's go! Guys, so much. Nag-enjoy po talaga kami. Manonood po kami backstage. But then, sobrang saya. Sana mas maging palaban kayo sa buhay nyo.
Yes, magiging palaban tayo sa buhay